Hello guys, welcome to Love is Vacation YouTube's channel. Now I want to give you information about 6 best places to stay in Brazil. Number 6, Porto Bay Rio International. The 5-star Porto Bay Rio International is located in Copacabana Beach, close to tourist attractions, shopping and the metro that will whisk you around Rio de Janeiro in short order. Its 117 rooms either have private verandas or windows with panoramic views. You'll also find stunning views, including Christ the Redeemer, on the 20th floor rooftop terrace. This is the place to be at sunset. Several restaurants serve award-winning cuisine and cocktails. Across the street to the famous beach, the hotel has a secure area for guests to use. Number 5, Casa Turquesa, Paraty. The Casa Turquesa is aptly named. Doors and window frames are painted turquoise, with touches of this bright color found in decor throughout the guest house. The turquoise blends with crisp whites to provide a colorful, yet serene and welcoming, appeal. The guest house, with only 9 rooms, occupies a restored colonial mansion overlooking the docks of Paraty's historic center. The boutique hotel, surrounded by other colonial buildings, gives guests personalized flip-flops at check-in so they'll feel more at home. Number 4, Toca de Coruja, Praia de Pipa. Guests at the Toca de Coruja rave about this pousada, saying the staff caters to their every whim. The tranquility of this place is marred only by the chattering of monkeys at your window. The hotel offers private bungalows in the jungle that are reached by raised walkways. Considered the top hotel in Praia de Pipa. The inn is small, with amenities including a large tropical garden, 2 swimming pools, a reading room and buggy rides along the coast. Number 3, Villa Bahia, Salvador. If you've ever wondered what it's like to stay in a colonial mansion, the Villa Bahia can fulfill your dreams. The pousada is housed in adjoining 17th and 18th century colonial mansions in the historic district of Palermo, in Salvador de Bahia. The boutique hotel has only 17 rooms, which have been restored to the colonial spirit. You can relax in one of 2 courtyards or on a rooftop terrace overlooking the historic district while sipping locally grown coffee. Number 2, Hotel Unique São Paulo. Conjas Traveler named São Paulo's Hotel Unique the best hotel in South America in 2015. It's hard to argue with that assessment, especially when others have ranked it highly, too. Visually stunning, elegant, contemporary and innovative describe this hotel with its 94 rooms and suites. Some rooms are color-coded to provide unique guest experiences. Sky, the rooftop restaurant and bar, offers stunning views of São Paulo. CNN ranked it among the top 50 stunning rooftop bars in the world. Number 1, Belmond Hotel das Cataratas. The setting for Belmond Hotel das Cataratas is nothing short of spectacular. Nestled in the Atlantic rainforest of Iguaçu National Park, the luxury hotel is just a hop, skip and a jump from the famous falls on the Brazil-Argentine border. Staying here gives guests the opportunity to see the falls. At times the park is closed to the hotel. The Portuguese colonial accommodation offers a variety of rooms, 3 restaurants and bars, and activities including swimming, gym and tennis. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.